Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching today. I'm going to be giving you Jeffree Star Halloween mystery box spoilers for 2021. I am so excited for spooky season. It is the year to do magic, and I have a magic trick for you guys right now. Who is ready? Okay, I'm going to make Ellie disappear, okay, and turn her into something completely different. So let's do this. Okay, are you ready for this magic trick? Are you ready? I don't think you're ready for this jelly. Hi! I know. I'm a witch. It's fine.
She teleported me here. I didn't fly here.
God, my head hurts. All that magic, man.
You're drained.
God. Alright, well, I can't finish the video. I'm tired. I gotta go take a nap.
Okay, I'll take over. Hi guys, welcome to Connor's channel.
Oh my god, Noelle is here. Can you believe it? All the way here in Nashville. Excuse me?
I'm so excited. Hi.
Who is ready to talk about Halloween mystery boxes? 'Tis the season to get spooky, baby. She already has a video on her channel talking about the boxes, so if you want to hear her opinions over there, go ahead. I'll have her linked below. Go subscribe because she's been doing Halloween looks over there. They're so dope, so go on over there and check them out. But today we're going to be talking about the Jeffree Star mystery boxes on my channel.
Woo!
And just talk about my opinion on them and all the info and all that. And you guys
excited.
already know there will be a giveaway, so go ahead and subscribe. Plus, if you're already sitting here watching this video, it would literally mean a lot to me if you just click the subscribe button, so please subscribe.
You're almost at 20, right?
I'm almost at 20,000
Get
subscribers.
her to 20, guys.
20K, baby.
Come on. And get me to 3.
Please go subscribe to Noelle. Anyways, that is the intro. So you're welcome that I, got her here. Yeah, let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so we have 3 boxes this time, okay? 3 box-a-roonies. We have a premium, a deluxe, and a supreme. Usually he does a mini, but there's no mini this time, so unfortunately the lowest price box is $65. Mm-hmm. Are you going to buy any boxes?
I'm thinking the deluxe.
I'm thinking
the middle box.
I know, because okay, I'll tell you when we get there, but there's like an item in there that just sounds very intriguing, and there's a lot of speculation, so like, but I'm here for it. So anyways, let's go over the first box, which is the premium, which is the white box. So it's going to have 6 items, $65 is the price, and you get $126 value, and he said the exclusives in that box are spooky things. So Halloween themed. He didn't say cosmetics. He didn't say fashion
merch,
or anything like that. He just said spooky. So
spooky exclusives.
No telling.
But he wouldn't say if they're makeup or not. So.
Yeah. So something spooky is gonna be in there. Okay. You open the box and then a can of worms pops out. That would be fun.
Wait, that would actually be so funny.
That would be
and
really
imagine
good.
all the unboxing videos. That's actually so funny. I hope he does that.
And then, okay, we have the deluxe box, okay? This is the black one. Contains 10 items for $140. You get a $266 value. So this box apparently needed to be sized appropriately, and like so many of his other mystery boxes have obviously been sized appropriately for like when he fits mirrors in there.
Yeah.
So when he says it has to be sized, it's making you wonder like what item is in there that's like needing to be sized.
And it's probably an exclusive, obviously, because it's not going to be a cosmetic item.
And I'm also wondering like 2 things, which I didn't think about the other one, but I only thought about this one. I personally thought about like what if he did like an exclusive LED mirror. Okay.
Ooh.
$140 for 10 items, maybe an LED mirror.
That's
like
pretty cool. And the value, this is the best value for the boxes.
Oh.
Because this is over double, right? Because it's $140. Oh, okay, no, it's not.
That's
just kidding. It's
$280.
So never mind. Never mind. But still, all the boxes are almost double the value. Like the value is almost double what you're paying.
Yeah.
So
being sized, I don't know, I feel like it'd be really cool since he just came out with LED lights if he did an exclusive or something. But he didn't mention any exclusives anywhere except for the first box, exclusive spooky things he said in that box, but I don't know if it's going to be in like all the boxes.
Well, you know what is going to be in all the boxes.
Yeah.
Okay.
The Weirdo palette, by the way, is going to be in every single box. So, and the Weirdo palette is not considered a spooky item. So, that's just going to be a new item in all of the boxes. So,
which I think is pretty cool.
Yeah, unless you're getting all the boxes.
That's the thing. If you're going to get all of them, or my thing is, are there going to be other eyeshadow palettes in the boxes, or is that going to be the only eyeshadow palette throughout all the boxes? I feel like you can't. For the Supreme, he has to include another eyeshadow palette at least.
I feel like it'd be cremated just because it's like Halloween themed.
That's true.
Or Jawbreaker for like fun looks.
I feel like the premium, like the smallest box, would only have the Weirdo palette in there. I'm not 100% sure.
Or he could be actually pretty cool and put Pricked in there because it's fall themed.
That would be pretty cool.
I still feel like the best mystery box ever was the Halloween mystery boxes of 2019 when you had
exclusive highlighter. Was that the one?
Exclusive highlighter, the tracksuit, the lip bundle. Me and my friend Sarah actually unboxed it, and I had like 30,000 views on that one. That was insane.
Video that I found her through, and then eventually DM'd her, and now we're friends.
So yeah, that one was a really good one. He's never topped a mystery box since that one, and I got all of them, and my friend got them all, and she doesn't buy makeup like I do, and that's how good it was. Like, that was a good one. That was the best one.
To get that back up to the level.
And then he did the next one for holiday, and it had the peppermint palette, which I did sell, but that was also really good. Since then, it's just been,
I am waiting for him to do an exclusive eyeshadow palette.
Right.
A 9-pan or even a quad or something, which would be cool because he doesn't have anything like that. I think that's what a lot of people are waiting for, to be honest.
Yeah, and I don't want to see any more single shadows. Like, no. I mean, like, if you're somebody that collects Jeffree Star, you already have all the palettes, so why do you need single shadows? There's no point. Also, unless they're exclusive.
When he wasn't doing this, like, if he's going to do single shadows, he needs to put a magnetic palette in that box, too, because wasn't it the last one where the magnetic palette only came in one of the boxes? So you got the single shadows in one, but if you only got that one box, you weren't going to get the palette to put it in. So
but he sells them on his website now, but it's kind of like, what's the point?
Right, what's the point?
So anyways, last box that we're talking about is the Supreme, which is the red box, containing 15 items, $200, with a $412 value. So that one's a little over.
That one's worth over double. That's the highest value is the Supreme.
But it's like...
That's a lot, though. I still think $200 to ask of people. But I also think... Because these are the last mystery boxes of 2021 for him, right? Mm-hmm. He's not doing Christmas ones or like other holiday ones. So maybe that's why he's going a little bit bigger with these, because maybe they'll be that good since he's not doing holiday ones. Who knows? Yeah,
I feel like he's going to come out with like a huge collection for Christmas, and that's why he's not doing the mystery boxes.
That's possible.
Or because a lot of these mystery boxes are a lot of back stock, he's not selling the product. Maybe he's run out of product to really just give out.
Yeah, that's true. And wants to clear the shelves for all of his 2022 releases.
Yeah, like I feel like maybe he has... dwindled his stock down, and when he's doing his new launches, since like all the drama happened, he's not selling out anymore, so he's purchasing like lesser quantities to sell.
It's true.
And he doesn't have Morphe, so he doesn't have as much to sell, so he doesn't have as much back stock, so maybe that could be why.
Yeah, I don't know. It's hard to tell with him.
I know. It's so hard.
He'll play it off. Like if he's ever struggling, you would never know. You know what I mean? He'd always be like, I'm rich, living life, doing my best.
Oh, one thing that somebody said, though, that the box needing to be sized, they thought that an exclusive Yak plushie could come in the box.
Oh, that's right.
And so many people were like, I don't want a Yak plushie, but I do.
Yeah, but you're like, a little farmer.
I'm like,
you got goats and stuff
I'm like there. #farm life right now, and if I had a little plushie, I would actually, like, be really excited about that.
That would be fun.
Like,
I would love a hoodie, personally. Like, a big hoodie.
I've sold all my exclusive hoodies, except for the very first one with the stars.
But, see, that's the problem, is sometimes I feel like he nails the designs on his merch, because I hate merch that's too merch heavy in terms of, like, it's logo everywhere. Like, my favorite one was the, Halloween shirt from last year's box, the black and orange tie-dye, with the like webbed star because it was
Yeah.
still merchy, but it wasn't like
And it was
Jeffree
cool.
Star. Yeah, and it was cool. So if he does do like a cool merch item or like clothing item, I just hope it's like very simple.
I do wear the shirts all the time, like filming it at home. But the only hoodie that I've kept and I really like is the first exclusive hoodie where it was like Jeffree Star Cosmetics with the purple stars on the side.
Yeah.
I really like that one. The other ones I got rid of because I'm just like,
Yeah, I didn't get that one, but
It was just too
I wish I
like-
got that one.
Yeah, I like that one. But yeah, that is all of the spoilers. I hope you enjoyed. I hope it was like crazy to see Noelle here, which is so exciting.
I know, you get it from both of us today. I'm excited.
We're gonna do red next up today, so if you're not following us on Instagram, go follow.
We'll both be putting vlogs up too, I'm sure, at some point.
Yeah.
At the end of our little excursion together over the next few days.
If we remember, it's so
I
hard
know.
to pick up my phone and be like, let's go, because
Well,
it's
because
like
we're also just enjoying our time together. Like, we're not those people that are like also like money focused that are like, we have to do this for the vlog or staging anything. So
Oh, yeah.
we've been living in the moment like this whole time. We haven't even taken a picture together actually.
we took one, but it was just a Snapchat.
Yeah, like
That was
besides
it.
that. Now that we both look nice though, we do have to get a good picture together.
Yeah, we're gonna do all the things. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're very excited about seeing Noelle, then go subscribe to her and comment down below. Love you guys.
Wait, what should they comment?
Oh, comment hashtag. Oh.
Well, we did the other one in the other video.
Oh yeah.
What should we do?
Oh my god.
Hashtag yak.
Yak.
Yak plushie.
Oh, hashtag yak plushie. You guys know that song where it's like yak, 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 Gucci down to the. Okay, anyways.
Yes.
Hashtag yak plushie. No.
Or just yak.
Hashtag yak, yak.
Yak yak. With a
Yak, yak.
Oh
my god, that's gonna be
We
the
have
new
to go.
term for 2022 is yak, yak, baby.
Yak. We called it, trademarked it here, guys.
Yak, yak. Like,
That shit was yak.
that was yakking.
I just squeezed.
I haven't snorted yet, baby. You're in for a treat. Oh my god,
I'll
good
snort
timing because my
later.
camera's about to die.
Good, yay. Okay, gotta go. Bye.
Now get out of my thumbnail.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Okay. Hey y'all, and welcome to the... Come on, Ellie. Ellie, come on.